Hey everyone, we're over in Tributary, and this is Richmond's model home over in the Tributary area. We're going to go take a look at the Larimor model. So let's go take a look. Now I know somebody may have seen some of my Richmond model homes before. Good size model home. It's got the 8-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. You come immediately in to a large first room up here. I love the space in between here on this side. Tile flooring. Here's this bathroom with double sinks. And we have a bonus room here that can be utilized as an office, small living room. It does have a pass-through walk-through area here into a closet. I mean, that's a good sized closet for what it is. If you wanted to close this off, you possibly could. That's put that down for the office on the required. This is the main living room. Dining room here, part of a large room. This is the 14-inch 14-inch cabinets. These for appliances. This is a gas cooler here. A little van of white here is my daughter, by the way. Say hello. Typical size back patio here. And we're not going to go all the way out, but that is the size of the backyards here. Actually about 20, 25 feet. Nice flower bed there. It's already got the electrical out here. You can end up setting up a television. Say hello, Ethan. This is my son. Can you come over? Ethan, close the door, please. The master with an enormously high bed in it, a little bit higher than normal. This does not have a trade ceiling. My wife jokes this is our coffee shelf if we'd ever get this house, so it would be a coffee maker shelf, but it's a little kind of crazy shelf. There's a water closet. I think this one here only comes with the shower. And double sinks on this side. This is utilized as the office space that